On our website, you can get PDF learning materials for free. Please visit englist.me.
Wasp.
A flying insect with a narrow waist and a sting, typically feeding on nectar and known for its aggressive behavior towards other insects and animals.
Examples:
Wasp nest, wasp sting. A giant wasp flew into the room, and everyone panicked.
Offend.
To cause someone to feel upset, angry, or annoyed.
Examples:
Offend his sensibilities. Offend a customer. His rude comments offended many people at the party.
Mosquito.
A small flying insect whose female bites people and animals and sucks their blood, and sometimes transmits serious diseases such as malaria.
Examples:
Mosquito bite. Mosquito repellent. A stagnant water area or breeding ground for mosquitoes.
Itch.
To have an uncomfortable feeling on the skin that makes you want to scratch it.
Examples:
Itch constantly. Itch to speak. I can't stop itching my arm because of the mosquito bite.
Detest.
To feel intense hatred or aversion towards someone or something. To dislike or despise greatly.
Examples:
Detest violence. Detest being late. I detest the way people are quick to judge others without knowing their side of the story.
Swarm.
A group of many things, such as insects, fishes, etc., in the air or water or on the ground.
Examples:
A swarm of mosquitoes. Locust swarm. A swarm of angry bees attacked because we had approached the hive.
Asphyxiate.
To make someone unable to breathe, usually resulting in unconscious or death.
Examples:
Asphyxiate him to death. Asphyxiate rival companies. 3 people were asphyxiated in the crowd crush of the demo.
Caribou.
A large North American deer that is found in Arctic and subarctic regions.
Examples:
Caribou herd. Reintroduce caribou. Caribou migrate long distances across the tundra in search of food.
Scourge.
A person or thing that causes great suffering or destruction. Verb, to punish someone severely.
Examples:
Scourge of AIDS. Bring a scourge under control. The plague was a scourge that killed millions of people.
Insidious.
Tending to entrap or beguile unawares, working or spreading in a hidden and usually harmful way.
Examples:
Insidious plot. Insidious behavior. The disease has an insidious onset, making it difficult to diagnose.
Saliva.
The clear liquid that is secreted into the mouth by glands in the walls of the mouth and throat, helping to lubricate food during chewing and digestion.
Examples:
Dog saliva. Dry mouth with little saliva. The dentist asked him to spit out the excess saliva into the sink.
Antiseptic.
A substance or preparation that prevents infection, decay, or putrefaction by killing or inhibiting the growth of microorganisms. Adjective, of or relating to something that inhibits the growth and reproduction of microorganisms such as bacteria, fungi, or viruses.
Examples:
Antiseptic solution. Natural antiseptic. He cleaned the wound with a skin antiseptic to prevent infection.
Numb.
Unable to feel physical sensation and movement, not showing human feeling or sensitivity.
Examples:
Numb with cold. A numb mind. My left arm became numb.
Serrated.
Having a saw-toothed or notched edge, of or relating to leaves, knives, or other objects with jagged edges.
Examples:
Serrated leaves. Serrated knife. The saw had a serrated edge that allowed it to cut through the thick branches with ease.
Mandible.
The lower jawbone in vertebrates, including humans, which is usually hinged to the skull and movable, a pair of these bones forming the lower jaw of an insect.
Examples:
Broken mandible. Insect mandible. The dentist inspected the patient's mandible during the routine checkup.
Carve.
To create something by cutting wood or stone, to turn sharply.
Examples:
Carve a statue. Carve my name on the plate. This statue is carved from a single tree trunk.
Proboscis.
An elongated, protruding nose, snout, or appendage, especially of certain mammals or insects, used for grasping or feeding.
Examples:
Mosquito proboscis. Proboscis structure. The butterfly used its proboscis to collect nectar from the flower.
Parasite.
An organism that lives on or in another organism and benefits by deriving nutrients at the other's expense.
Examples:
Blood-sucking parasite. Parasite disease. Tapeworms are parasites that live in the intestines of humans and animals.
Citronella.
A fragrant oil derived from a type of lemongrass plant, typically used in candles, sprays, or other products as an insect repellent, particularly against mosquitoes.
Examples:
Citronella spray. Citronella oil. I lit the citronella candle to keep mosquitoes away during our outdoor dinner.
Dengue.
A viral disease transmitted by mosquitoes, characterized by fever, severe joint and muscle pain, and a rash.
Examples:
Dengue mosquito. Dengue outbreak. Many people in this region have contracted dengue fever from mosquito bites.
Dastard.
A dishonorable or despicable coward.
Examples:
You dastard. The dastard's way of thinking. You cannot criticize him as an arrogant dastard.
Pollinator.
An animal or insect, such as bees, butterflies, birds, etc., that carries pollen from a male part of a flower to a female part of a flower, fertilizing it and allowing it to produce seeds.
Examples:
Pollinator species. Beneficial pollinator. Bees are important pollinators for many crops and plants.